Hey guys, it's Mark Thompson here, and what you're looking at right now is the Authority Spy influencer app. So think of Authority Spy as keyword research for influencers. It's the first of its kind in the marketplace, and we are really excited to show it off. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is create a project. Okay, this is just so you can organize your research. So say that I am doing an SEO campaign. I'm trying to find influencers in a particular niche, in this niche being SEO. So I'm going to add the project, and what I'm going to do is do a search. So let's say that I'm trying to find SEO bloggers. Okay, I'm trying to find bloggers who I can connect with to help promote maybe a new product that I have to earn high quality backlinks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search SEO bloggers, and I'm going to click enter. And now Authority Spy is going out, it's finding Twitter influencers. Now it's going out and it's finding Google Plus influencers. And then once it finds those influencers, it goes and adds additional details and metrics to this area. So it aggregates all these different social media sources, and it puts it into one really clean interface. Okay, so now as you can see, the results are starting to come in. You can see the person's avatar, their name, their social authority, which is pulled from Follower Wonk, which is a service from SEO Moz, which is SEO Moz's own rank for how influential you are on Twitter. Okay. Now you could also see step 4. It's pulling in Facebook influencers, and it's finding all of their details about fan pages, about individual people on Facebook. Now it's going to Alltop, Technorati, Google Blog Search. It's finding influential blogs on top of the influencers that we've already found. So it does both influencers and influential blogs. So you can kind of get best of both worlds here. So now if I keep scrolling down, you're going to notice that we had those Twitter influencers. We had our Google Plus influencers coming in. If I keep scrolling down, you'll see some Facebook likes for fan pages. Okay, now it's pulling in all these different blogs. And that's really not even the best part. Okay, the best part is this step right here: enhancing, matching, and scrubbing your results. Okay, so now what is it doing? It's taking all of those influencers and influential blogs that it found, and it's enhancing them. It's going out and it's going to every site and every profile to find other profiles that those people are on. Okay, because if you have a Twitter profile, you may have a Facebook profile. If you have a Facebook profile, you may have a Google Plus profile. And what it's doing is it's trying to find all the different profiles that you may have and aggregating it into one result. Okay, so you can already see that it's finding certain people's Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus. So if I click on this guy, you'll notice right here it pulls in all of his profiles into one area. Now, another thing that's really powerful, if you look down here, you can see his blog. You can also see his contact page. So it's going to find contact us pages as well as any email addresses that it may find. Okay, so it's doing a lot of different steps in the background. Now, people used to do this manually for years. I was one of them, and it was taking so long for me to manually pull these type of results. And I just kind of got sick of it, and we built Authority Spy. And so this is the ultimate application for researching influencers and influential blogs. It runs on both a Mac and PC. It's Adobe Air based. And as you can see, guys, it's still populating all of this data. And so as it finds new profiles for the person, these icons will get lit up. So you can see here, I know Rand Fishkin, he's a great authority in the SEO niche. You can see here's his Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus. These are all one click right to his profile. You can see that it's it found its Facebook likes and Google Plus followers. Okay, and what I could do is I can sort by any of these columns. So say that I want to really focus on Google Plus influencers or Facebook or Twitter, I can do that. Okay, so say that I want to do Google Plus, I can just sort that, and I can see all the influencers on Google Plus. Now, once step 9 is done, which is again enhancing, matching. Now it's pulling Facebook PageRank and CloutScore. Okay, CloutScore is probably one of the biggest metrics for measuring influencers, and so we wanted to make sure that we added this in here. So now it's finding all those blogs and the influencers blogs, and it's giving you a page rank, it's giving you their CloutScore. Okay, and it's going down and it's doing that for all of the results. Okay. Now, the final step that we've added, which is extremely powerful, is our proprietary algorithm, which we call SPY Score. Okay, SPY Score is an aggregation of all of the metrics. Okay, as you can see, it pulls raw data like Twitter followers, likes, Google followers, that kind of stuff. But then there's also things like social authority, which is which is SEO Moz's ranking. And then you have Clout Score, and then you have PageRank. We've taken all this into consideration. We have certain weights based on the data that we've pulled, and we've produced our own SPY Score, which you can sort by. And that's step 11, which is the final step. So it does take a few minutes here to run, but as you can see, we've generated hundreds of results from all across the web. We've pulled in all different types of metrics, and as you can see, we can click on any of these and we can see their profile data. We can see if they have a contact us, which is extremely powerful for contacting these people and engaging with them. And then also for managing your projects, obviously you can sort things by, or you can organize things into projects. You can see all of your recent searches here. So as you do more and more searches, all of that stuff gets archived. But then you can also click on favorite or trash to help manage your list. So I can click here, say that I wanted to follow up with some of these people. So I may want to highlight some of these. Okay, I may want to run another search and add more followers. So what I'm going to do here, now look, all of those ones that I followed are all in my follow section. And now it's a much more manageable list for following up with these people. Okay, I can also trash results if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, now as you can see, whoops, let me go back here. So now you can see, guys, this is an extremely powerful app. There's nothing out there on the market like this. There are some social authority apps out there, but they're hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars a month, which are really geared more towards enterprise level customers. So this is an extremely powerful app, regardless of what you guys are doing, whether it's SEO, whether it's trying to find affiliate partners, trying to get people with email lists, trying to get people to like or tweet your content. This can be used for really any type of application on the web, regardless of what you're doing and regardless of what niche you're in. Okay, it's as simple as entering a keyword and let Authority Spy do the rest. So what we're doing is we have a 7-day special going on where you can get up to 75% off the regular price of Authority Spy. Okay, when we launch, when we have our regular launch, it's going to be between $27 and $97, and there is going to be a larger monthly fee to use all of the features that are included here. Okay, we do have 3 different packages or 3 levels based on the features that you want, but this is well worth the investment, guys. We've spent a lot of time and effort into to polishing this tool, and we're excited to be adding even more data and more enhancements to this software. So grab your copy now. For 7 days only, we're going to have this limited time discount, and I'll see you guys inside the members area.